Some of the major achievements for Spaceforge in 2024 has been the production of our ground-based semiconductor facilities, bringing those online, and also the continued development of our re-entry technology, which is now actually ready to integrate to our ForgeStar platform. 2025 is going to be a big year for us. We will have the launch of our first technology demonstrator, the ForgeStar 1 platform. And we're also looking forward to developing our ground-based R&D facilities. The reusability of our ForgeStar platform will mean that we can actually reduce the cost of launches going forward by quite a significant level. What that will do is it'll actually open up the option of in-orbit manufacturing for a much wider market and bring down the cost of access to that. All space missions in the current market are inherently wasteful, with a massive percentage of the mission mass being either abandoned into a graveyard orbit or deorbited and burnt up in the atmosphere. Spaceforge's reusable platform, the ForgeStar, aims to reduce that by actually having a fully reusable system, so we can start looking at reducing the amount of wastage for our missions. Our target payload will also see a reduction in power consumption of a lot of components, which also will aid towards the reduction in carbon footprint and the impact on the environment as well. The future of the space industry has to be for all people, so international partnerships are really, really important, particularly for us at Spaceforge. By partnering with supply chains across the globe and other companies and partners, we can actually leverage and influence the very cutting edge of technology and ensure that sustainability and efficiency is at the forefront of any new developments.